Yes, guys, we are here. Me and my boss. So today, we're on some rainy vlogs. Right? We're doing some rainy vlogs out here. You want to speak to the people?
Hi. I missed you guys. It's very rainy. It kind of looks like snow and rain mixed together, if I'm gonna really tell you, because it's just like all of a sudden rain just came down and it's like ruining the plans because like it wasn't just raining. So like I want to know like what is this happening? Because like how is it already raining? Because like I don't even think it's supposed to rain today. It was mad. I wouldn't say nice, but like it was kind of like coolish. So yeah.
Yeah, big head.
So right now we're just going home and yeah. So like oh wow, that rain stopped quickly. So yeah, we're just gonna go.
The rain wash off some of that salt off of the car, right?
That is true.
The car was looking white. I don't drive a white car.
Where my window is, like it might be like where my window is, it's like a lot of rain. It looks nice over there, and right here it just looks like a big thunderstorm.
You be my bigger person. Why are you talking you for yourself, me, and where you
So
live,
like
okay?
this is it because
Can
like
you do that for me?
yeah. So then like it's like look at my side, you guys, and look at his side. Because like I don't even think like that's the fear, because they should start inventing the little car whatever that's called, the Windex, I think it's called that, and start making them to make it go to the window. You get me? So yeah, I think they should start inventing. What?
Windscreen, what you talking about?
You guys.
On the side, I see what you said. You talking about windscreen one?
Yes, because like
Side windows?
yeah, they should start inventing something like when like they should start inventing things like so like when sorry so when the rain comes down or the snow, we can see outside, you guys. Yes. It kind of looks better from your side, Dad, but it kind of it looks good from your side, but over my side, it just looks like what is happening right now? Are we having a thunderstorm?
Dark. Is it? It's dark. Put the window down and you see it's dark. It's raining though.
You guys, it's very.
Look at that.
But it's very dark outside. I'm not even lying.
Caribbean Asian Fusion Restaurant, man. Dollar van around the road. And you know, say me out here right now. I'm done. I go to studio. As in I don't know, say me do music. So I don't know the thing already. Big up on yourself. What's on the nose? I'm out. What we are gonna do with bad man? What they just say? Get them out. Ah!
Okay, you guys, with Daddy. Dad. Is this a vlog? My bad. So, again,
Tell them,
this is MVision.
MVision TV. Like, subscribe, share.
Like, subscribe, share, and make sure I hit that notification button.
Exactly. Drop a positive comment.
And don't think I forgot. Click that bell too.
Drop a positive comment. I always say that. Alright.
Drop a positive comment, okay? So, we're just having like a little car drive video. We're just having like, oh, y'all, look. We're looking at Popeyes right now. But I don't want nothing because I just ate. Yeah. No turn.